ChatGPT has now launched its own web browser called Atlas, which is designed to make web browsing interactive, where artificial intelligence works alongside the web in real time. In this video, I will explain why Atlas is worth trying and how it can actually improve the way you browse the internet. Let's say I'm reading this article. Normally, if I wanted a summary, I would need to copy the article link, open ChatGPT app, paste the link, and then ask questions. With Atlas, I can simply ask ChatGPT to summarize this article in 60 words within the browser, and it instantly understands the page I am currently reading. I can also ask follow-up questions related to the article and continue reading without leaving the page. Now, let's say I am writing an email or a document, and if I want to make corrections, I do not need to copy and paste the text into ChatGPT app. I simply highlight the text and select Edit with ChatGPT. A floating prompt appears where I can type instructions. The updated version appears instantly. I click Update and the original text is replaced. There is no need to switch between applications. This works anywhere you type text in the browser. If privacy is a concern, Atlas gives you full control. You can choose which websites ChatGPT is allowed to read and which ones remain private. To do this, click the slider icon in the address bar and set ChatGPT page visibility to not allowed for that website. If you want to revert this later, go to Settings, Personalization, Page Visibility, and remove the website entry. You can also enable or disable chat history and browser memories, depending on whether you want ChatGPT to refer your browsing activity in future conversations. If you are worried about losing browser extensions, there is nothing to worry about. Atlas is built on Chromium, which means it supports all Chrome extensions. Any extensions you currently use on Google Chrome will work here as well. You are not sacrificing functionality to gain AI features. At the moment, Atlas web browser is available only on macOS, and Windows version is going to be released soon. There is no news on mobile version of the browser yet. For now, if most of your browsing happens on a Mac, Atlas is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.